Welcome learners. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and image recognition. The main learning objectives are to familiarize learners with the trainable machine, a Google designed machine learning program that utilizes neural networks for image classification. Communicate the task to the learners, creating a program or model for device of your laptop to distinguish dogs and cat images. Divide the class into the 6 groups, with each group capturing 15 pictures of apples, oranges and mangoes against different backgrounds, and guide the teachers in uploading the images to the teachable machine website for each fruit group. And then train the model and export it, emphasizing the availability of the tutorials for gathering examples, trainable models, and exporting them. Encourage testing to observe if the model improves with the additional images and backgrounds. Provide learners with a cat and dog dataset for creating their own cat-dog classifier model, and instruct learners to test their models with the new pictures of cats and dogs. And finally, define two activities, AI and image recognition and the content generator. Our tool for this journey is the trainable machine, a program which is designed by the computer scientists from Google. So let's get started on the training our own machines to become intelligent. The task is to create a program or a model that allow our device or laptop to identify whether an image is a dog or a cat. But before that, let's revisit the fundamental of dataset, algorithms and prediction. A dataset, which we have defined as a collection of data, often presented in a structured format that represent information or some kind of observation. Whereas an algorithm is a step-by-step set of instructions for solving a particular problems or completing a specific task. Prediction refers to making informed estimates or forecasts about future outcomes based on current or historical data. In the context of machine learning, predictions are generated by the models trained on datasets using algorithms. So now let's project the slides to understand inputs for the image recognition, which have been already shared. Just walk through the essential steps of AI once again. Next, we will collectively train a machine using a teachable machine website. Again, we have already shared in the lessons material. Our first challenge is to teaching the machine to play rock, paper and scissors. It's an engaging way to grasp the concept. We all know that what is rock, paper and scissors games. So all the steps are given in the activity material. It's a very engaging way to grasp the AI concept. Now let's break into the groups for a hands-on activity. Each group will capture around 15 pictures of apple, oranges and mangoes with a different background. This diversity is crucial for training the machine effectively. After capturing the images, we will upload them to the teachable machine website. The surprising part is the machine might focus more on the background than the actual objects. And to overcome this, we will train it with the very different conditions. So what surprise learners about teaching the machine to recognize fruits? They will share their observation, like being meticulous and providing at least 30 examples for effective trainings. Now it's time to transition to the most exciting part, creating our own cat-dog model or classifier. We will provide datasets and learners can work individually or in a group. Once again, we will test the different models with the new pictures of cat and dogs. Let's see how accurately our models predict the answers. And finally, we will challenge our model with a non-cat or dog datasets. Why do machines struggle with certain animals? Remember, it is possible for machine to identify other animals. It is just the right training. And to reinforce further learning, we have a very exciting activities like AI and image recognition. We have a content generator activities, and all the instructions for completing these activities are given in the activities materials. So stay tuned for the journey in the realm of artificial intelligence and image recognition, and let's empower our machines to see and understand the world around us.